What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be cutting a C-notch on the 96 Silverado. So this is where the C-notch is going to go. Okay, so I removed the bolts that were sticking out, brake lines, and then there was another one over here. This one, I guess there's like 4 in total, and then the bump stop. So it goes right here. Make sure this is centered. So I'm going to cut a little bit more from here, a little bit higher. We're going to use the grinder so we can cut the C-notch. Nice. Okay. We used spray paint so we can mark where we're gonna drill, and then here's the other two. We couldn't get the bottom ones, so I'm just gonna put those bolts, and the rest I'm gonna weld it. So I told my friend Josh that I'm doing a C-notch, and he told me that the kit that I bought wasn't the greatest. He had a problem with his differential, that the C-notch cracked the welds. So here he is to give me some advice on it.
Alright guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to explain the flip kit from Amazon, which is basically these pieces. In between is where the leaf springs go. Stock, they go up here. Once you tighten this plate starts putting pressure up on this mount, so it starts cracking the welds right here. So a good flip kit would come without these. It comes with the plate up top, and you use these squared U-bolts, and that way it puts the pressure up on the bolts and not on the welds, so it won't crack. To avoid any cracks here, you want to get the flip kit that has the plate up top with these U-bolts, because these will just crack the welds and you'll leak all the oil.
Here I got these 2 bolts already torqued down, and then I still have this bend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this C-clamp so I can put it on there, so I can make sure that the those holes align. They're a little bit off. That one looks like it might be good.
está el muelle. Ponte el jack en el muelle. Voy para arriba.
Ta-da! Magic. Okay. This was actually a 7-inch drop. The rear fenders were actually resting on the tires. So I think what I'm going to do is either cut off the fenders and make some fender flares, or maybe get a shorter differential. Still not sure what to do on that. The original shocks for the truck are too long now that the truck is lowered. So I'm going to use this 2002 Silverado shocks. But in order to do that, I have to make a bracket for them to fit. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to be working on the fenders for the truck. And don't forget to subscribe.